ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬರವಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಓದೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು StoryWeaver.org ಇಂದ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾರದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು. In this video, let's read another article or story. ಯಾರದು. This I have picked from StoryWeaver.org level 1, which will be easy to read and to understand. Helpful for beginners. Yaradu, yaru adu, adu is that, yaru is who is that? ಪ್ರಿಯಾಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸದ್ದು ಕೇಳಿಸಿತು. ಸರ್ ಸರ್. ಯಾರದು? ಪ್ರಿಯಾ heard a sound. Sound. Who is that? ಒಂದು one, ಸದ್ದು is sound. ಕೇಳಿಸು is to listen or heard. She heard a sound. ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಜಗಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಸುವನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. She runs and she searches for that. She sees a cow who is munching a grass. ಓಡು is to run. ಹೋಗು is to go. ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ run and go. ಹುಡುಕು is to search. ಅವಳು she. ಹುಲ್ಲು is grass. ಜಗಿ is to munch. ಹಸು cow. ನೋಡು is to look or see. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಸು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸದ್ದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವುದು. But that is not cow which is making that sound. ಹಸು ಅಲ್ಲ, not cow. ಆ, that, ಸದ್ದು sound. ಮಾಡು is to do. It is not the cow which is making that sound. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಮರದ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಕೋತಿಯೇ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೋತಿಯಲ್ಲ. In such case, is that monkey on the tree? No, that is not the monkey. Mara is tree. Mele is on or over. Koti is monkey. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ, in such case, in that way, or in such case, is that the monkey who is making that sound which is on the tree? No, that is not the monkey which is making the sound. ಹುಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕಪ್ಪೆಯೇ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. Is that the frog which is jumping on the grass? No, not frog. ಹಾರು is to jump. ಕಪ್ಪೆ is frog. ಹುಲ್ಲು is grass. ಇಲ್ಲ, no. ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, not the frog. ಅಥವಾ ಜಿಗಿದು ಓಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಜಿಂಕೆಯೇ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಿಂಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. But is that the deer which is jumping? No, not the deer. Jig is to jump. ಓಡು is to run. ಜಿಂಕೆ is deer. ಅಥವಾ or. ಕೊಳದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮೀನು ಹೀಗೆ ಸದ್ದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೀನಲ್ಲ. Is that the fish in the pond which is making this sound? No, not the fish. Kola is pond, meenu fish. Hige, this way. Saddu is sound. Meenalla, not the fish. ಆಗ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಆನೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆನೆ ಮರವೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಉಜ್ಜುತ್ತಿದೆ. That time Priya sees an elephant. That elephant was rubbing its body against the tree. Aane is elephant. Mara is tree. Tanna, its. Mai is body. Ujju is to rub. That elephant is rubbing its body on that tree, against that tree. Sir, it's making that sound, that rubbing sound. ಪ್ರಿಯಾಳಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಉತ್ತರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. Now Priya got the answer. ಸಿಗು is to find or get. ಉತ್ತರ is answer. ಈಗ now she got the answer. Who is making that sound? ಯಾರದು? That is Aane. Who's that? That is Aane or elephant. This is all about the story. Yaradu. I hope you like the story as well as the narration. Also, please like, share as well as subscribe to this channel. Thank you.